Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can check who reported your Instagram account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that matter, simply go ahead, open up your Instagram app, and when you're in this home section, what you need to do is that you need to remember when you report somebody or report an account, or if your account has been reported, the Instagram does not disclose who reported your account, simply to protect the anonymity and for the privacy reasons. And also you cannot see the specific username behind the report either. So what you need to do, for you can instead check your account status if you were reported. So for that, you can go to your Instagram profile. You can tap on three horizontal line on top right corner. Then you go to more info and support section and tap on Meta AI Support Sense Assistant. And then you're simply gonna go ahead and write them a report regarding that your content has been reported and removed without your consent. There have been some false reports. You can ask further question about that, and you can get a help with the Meta AI Support Assistant. That's what you can do, and that's the only option available, because unfortunately once the report has been done, they don't disclose the particular information about the account. So that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.